Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I want is, I want, can you, because see, now we have time, we can do certain small exercises. In fact, I want the feedback from your end up till now, because it is almost how much? Almost you can take at a month's time. We started exactly on 27th of March. And prior to that also we were interacting with each other, right? So today what I want a small session, because I would like to know from you three questions. Like before joining this particular, we are calling it guidance camp, because it's a very lengthy program. So it's almost a sort of a camp, right? So what I want to know, what did you expect before joining this particular camp? That is the first question. क्योंकि अपन ज्वाइन करने के पहले एक होता है कि जैसे आई गॉट फीडबैक और रिएक्शन फ्रॉम आराधना. It was 2 sessions back that she was expecting only a few sessions to take place, and that is what she was expecting. So whatever you thought about it, even we were not aware that this particular program will go in this direction, this fashion. So first question is that. Second is what exactly you are getting right now, your expectation. This two things has to be matched. Value जो बोलते हैं ना, what is the value the customer expect in a particular product, because we are talking about marketing, so let us use that language. What was the value we expected from this particular program and what you are getting right now? That is the second question. See, you can be very brief, you can be lengthy, it's entirely depend on you. And the third will be, what are your feedback or suggestions in case if you feel like कि नहीं ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, या this can also be done, because we have tried our level best to deliver whatever we can. And we are trying also, because this is not the end of the program. Usually feedback is taken at the very last, but deliberately I want it in the middle so that we can improvise immediately. Why to wait for the last session and then take your feedback? Deliberately I am not insisting on the individual feedback which the resource person are asking to me कि सर हमारा feedback क्या है? Because see, everybody has to prepare the PPTs, the MCQs and everything. They has to be on their toe if the session is there. Casually नहीं ले सकते, because I know people are going to listen to me. So I need to be very formal in every sense. I need to do preparation so that whatever queries or doubt comes to me, it should not go unreplied, unanswered. So this is basically the motive or objective of any resource person. कि मैं जो समझा रहा हूँ वो अच्छी तरह सबको समझ में आए. I should be the best of best, and I should be able to resolve all the doubts and queries. So this we all are trying. This feedback they wanted, but I deliberately didn't insisted on that, because as it is, you are not able to solve all the MCQs. Those are pending. But I have already given them the feedback कि everything is good. No, nothing negative has come out, because see, you are there. Even we are posting those videos on YouTube. So everything is good over there. Nobody has not a single negative reaction, not a single negative thumb or a negative comment has been posted on any of the videos for that matter. So it's a good sign, even though the views are not that much, because see, this is a niche audience. Niche, again, I have used this word in marketing. We'll be talking on that, because our today's session is about marketing. So niche and fish I have talked last time. So this NetSeed sort of this program is a niche program. Niche, I mean to say, is meant for specific people. It is meant for limited people. So we don't expect lot many views, and that is not needed. Our ultimate aim is to make that video available to you so that you can watch whenever you have time, or you feel like you are stuck up somewhere, because you are the person who are the first evidence of this program. You are part and parcel of this program. So for you to recall and know what went wrong or what didn't you understand is easy compared to other passive YouTube audience. So we are not very much concerned with them, but let them also take the advantage and take it as a marketing point of view also. Because see, this program, so much of efforts is going, we want it should reach to more and more number of people so that they can join. क्योंकि एफर्ट उतने ही डालने हैं हमको. ठीक है, ज्यादा लोग आते हैं तो वी हैव टू कैटर टू ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल पर्सनली, राइट? ऐसा नहीं है कि इफ यू गिव मी अ कॉल और इफ यू पोस्ट मी अ मैसेज दैट आई कैन इग्नोर, तो वही 50 लोग भी रहते थे तो मुझे वही करना पड़ता था जो 5 या 6 लोगों के लिए करना पड़ता. सो दैट इज ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट इशू, बट द इंटेंशन एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल एंड वेरी नोबल ओवर हियर. We want to help the people out, because we are not tuition wala जो बोलते हैं अपन. We are typically teachers, like few of you are teachers over here, and we want to be good teachers. Okay, so that is the objective. So with whom shall we start? But see, I want you to come on this thing camera, right? Aradhana, shall we start with you? All of you got me what I said? Alok, yeah, Alok, can we start with you? Anybody can come forward. Just 2-3 minutes time we'll also do. Your reaction and your feedback, so that in case if we are left out with something, or in case you expect something else to take place, that can also be possible, that can also be arranged. And feedback regarding the sessions, shall we take a break for 2-3 days time, or do you want the sessions to continue? Then we can meet again after you solve everything. You have a problem, then, because see, many a time we might have to call the resource person again, right? And we have to take into consideration their availability, because all of them are busy, like the way you people are. So Alok, can you talk? Aradhana is there, Harshal is there, suppose, and Rajat is there. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So Alok, 3 questions I have already posted. You can just open your WhatsApp, and those 3 questions I want you to give whatever answers come to your mind. It will not be very formal. Okay.
Yeah, I have joined this program because of my target is I have to crack the exam anyhow. Okay, so what was the thinking in my mind ki kaisa hoga class, but actually the presentation was given by each and every resource person is wonderful, and it is really helpful. Okay, some of the presentations are really very nice because they give us give us all the things from that subject matter. For I can say example of that business finance lecture. So sir has made the PPT of 500 slides, and from that PPT I got each and everything whatever the NET exams is asking in the examination. Even the communication lecture was very nice. Each and every lecture was very nice. But I am really happy to join this kind of program. So actually I attended so many programs earlier also, that 1 day or 2 days something, or max to max 5 days program. Okay, so if I compare all these programs with this program, I am really happy and satisfied about this, because the way they made the questionnaire for the, that is MCQs for attending from our side, because it's a really wonderful questions, because some questions are very tricky, that creates that same questions, that tricky questions the NET exams will ask in their examination. So somehow, as a finance background also, some finance part and taxation part, whatever I solved in the questionnaire, okay, that question is also unknown to me, because my finance taxation के बाद ये इसमें आता है क्या? So really I am thankful to this program, because I got so many things from this program.
Alok, one question from my side. You said you attended few programs, like 2 days, 3 days were there, right? I don't think you must have attended a program of such a long duration what we are having, right?
It is a 1 day program. You can say at least 4 hours or 3 hours.
So what?
But in that 3-4 hours, they cover all the parts. So we are covering one day each program. So you can say economics 1 day, teaching aptitude 1 day. So we are doing that way.
So yeah, my question remains. So what exactly went in, means what were the inputs they are given? Only lectures, or did they give you MCQs and then PPTs?
One MCQ or two MCQ. You can say for teaching aptitude,
only
5 questions like that, or you can say alphabet, that is ABC wale questions, or missing the term of the mathematical questions. So 1 or 2 questions they solve. So they are given the guidelines how to solve, only guidelines. The detail thorough that we are taking from this program, that I have not got it from the earlier versions.
Right. And those were in this year, or were they arranged earlier also?
No, I attended long back, sir.
Long back, okay. Because see, this I feel, personally I feel, see, because I have not because I am the part of the organizing committee, or because I am leading the show. It is not like that. But what I feel is such a comprehensive thing I have never got across with any of the institute, because nobody has tried to this level. and fortunately it is out of our interest and passion. As I said earlier, we are able to stretch it to such a large extent. We are able to deliver whatever we have kept in mind, right? That is one. Any feedback from Alok, from your side? Any suggestion you want?
No, sir,
Anything?
I'm nice to meet you, sir, in
Okay,
this
thanks.
area. Okay, we got a nice leader for us to crack this exam because जो efforts आप ले रहे हो ना for us, it is really very wonderful and I'm really happy for that.
No,
Thank you
see,
so much.
I'll be only happy when you clear it and when you come to Nagpur
Yes, sir.
along with the sweets, packet of sweets, right?
Yes, sir, 100% sure.
Or else you can post it across that, because of pandemic we know what is happening. So thank you so much, Alok. Anything you feel like, you can always talk to me. You know that, huh?
Yes, sir,
And Alok,
always.
you
I will
didn't.
be, I will be in touch with Afwan now. Always.
Yeah,
In
always
future.
you have to be in touch, not only for this program. नेट तो आप सब लोग कर ही लोगे, that I can guarantee, because जो अभी टेम्पो अपना बिल्टअप हुआ है ना, तो जो अपना what you can call it interest जो जनरेट हुआ है, that
Yes,
is
sir.
ultimately is what is going to count, because you know back of the all this thing, people are there who are watching you now, right? You are accountable for yourself as well as you are accountable to we people now, right? तो एक
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा एंजाइटी बोलो या प्रेशर थोड़ा बहुत चाहिए एग्जाम, एकदम कैजुअली लेना नहीं
Because
चाहिए.
I arrange so many competitions and programs in outsiders also.
Okay.
Okay, from as a event manager or as a I'm working as a social institute as a worker or social worker.
Very
So I
good.
organize so many competitions and programs. So definitely I will be touching with you in the future.
Not only from the net point of view, as I said, PhD
Yes,
में
sir.
जो guidance
Not
लगता
in the
है.
net point of view, in the overall point of view. Sir.
Yeah, overall, because see, we belongs to same fraternity, and कहाँ किसकी कैसी जरूरत पड़ेगी और कौन कैसा काम में आ सकता है. Because you won't believe my this thing introduction with Amay sir is hardly how much 3-4 months back, and it has developed in such a wonderful relation, and it
Yes,
is
sir.
all in pandemic. I was not knowing him. I came to know through a third person, and that third person, even I was not knowing her. I came to know from my friend. This is how the relation develops, and this is how the networks develop.
Yeah, Amir sir told me because of that conference he knows you.
Yeah,
Nagpur में जो conference हुआ तब से. So from Amir sir I got your number and the advertisement of this program.
Right, see, actually, basically, all these people who are attached to me, their nature is like that. Only they'll go out of way to help you out, right? So don't worry about it. कहीं पे भी, especially academics में कहीं पे भी आपको लगता है you're facing any problem, we have all sort of resource person that are available with us, right? कहीं पे भी stuck हो गए आप, तो you need not worry about anything. पेट हो गया, जैसे आराधना, she has joined again. So पेट हो गया आपका. Yes, Aradhana, welcome back.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, sir. These things I got network problem. and
No
it's,
issue. It is now part and parcel of the show, and we have to we have to take it as a new normal. We always talk about COVID and what is the new normal. So this is
Right,
not normal.
right.
This is not new. This is normal to us now. Not even new also. Okay. So Alok has given a wonderful feedback. He has talked. He has shared his experience, past experience of what this sort of workshop he has already attended, but those were not such a comprehensive or not for such a larger duration. I mean to say, this is one of its sort of record only online. No institute has arranged this sort of thing, and we are started almost 27 March. We started. I know the exact date. So there onwards, today is almost 24. Happily, so we can take it as almost 1 month. Hardly 1 or 2 breaks we have given, right? So Aradhana, I have already posted few questions. I know you have given that reaction, but still I want, let us have this small session on this, your feedback,
Sure,
insights.
sir.
Yeah, so there's 3 questions. First question, you know that
Yes, sir.
yes, please go ahead. Yeah.
So the first question is like about the expectations from the guidance camp.
Yeah.
So sir, I would like to first of all introduce this to everyone that when we talk about guidance, it means to guide someone. And I believe there is no guidance which I got from you and all the other resources. I know I first time called you at night 10 o'clock for the session, when someone has sent me the link, and I directly called you saying, sir, I really want to join this session, can you please agree with this and that time you have guided me in a very good manner that what you're supposed to do. That, fill up the form, we will start preparing. And the guidance actually not only for studies. Absolutely, yes, you all are giving for the NET exams, for PET exams. But apart from there also, like how to apply for NET, maybe for the PET examination, what are the things we need to do? In general also, like whatever question I have in mind, I call you anytime, and definitely, sir, I observe that all the time, this you will every time pick my phone and you will give me guidance on whatever queries and doubts I have. So about the guidance with the camp, yes, it is 100%. With that also, I got a personal, guidance of regarding to subjects, maybe whatever it is. And then the second question says, I have received, yes, I have received a tons. I cannot say about this small things. When I talk about receiving part, as I discussed before also, let's say from 100% portion, sir, the knowledge which we have, as we already teach or maybe whatever we have learned, it's just 40-50%. But attending the session, right, attending all the lectures from the resource person, have added more value to it. So whatever I have received is always above what, from what I already have. So this is a very good point that I would like to say to everyone. Whatever you have, having something apart extra, that is the main point over here. On the second question that I would like to say, which was like what I received. So yes, lot of tons of knowledge. And then it's about the feedback and suggestions. So I would like to say I don't have any suggestion because everything is up to the mark. There is no, I cannot say that आज ऐसा होता है कि चलो मैंने आज लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं किया पर लेक्चर चल रहा है. So it is like as I told before, I thought कि क्या ऑनलाइन सेशन एक दो दिन होगा फिर बंद हो जाएगा. But this is like non-stop. It is just going on, and I'm really happy about it. So if in case I miss the class, I know that I have somewhere in the safer side, I have the recordings of the lectures. I can go through it whenever I'm free. Usually in the night when I get free, I do watch them whenever I'm free. So it's a very good feedback that I would like to give. And just one suggestion that just can we just take a break of 2 to 3 days so that at least whatever MCQs are there, we'll just make sure we solve it. Like at least from my end.
Yeah, exactly. This is what I was expecting from you people. In fact, I wanted it to come from your end. कि sir बहुत हो गया अभी. Let us come to the whatever we have done up till now, and after that we can move forward because we have time now. Otherwise मैं रोकता नहीं था. मैं अगर
one more thing. One more thing, because जो भी अभी तक हुआ है, it is like almost 80-70%. At least I think it is 70% like we have done. So अभी हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी हमारा अब तक एक स्टॉप लेके, at least एक दो दिन का स्टॉप लेके जो 75% हुआ है, उसका पूरा रिकॉल करके और दो दिन हम एमसीक्यूज पूरे कोशिश करके सॉल्व करने के, एंड देन वी कैन मूव टू द रिमेनिंग पार्ट. सो पुराना वाला भूलेंगे नहीं, वो बार-बार सॉल्व करेंगे, वो दिमाग में भी रहेगा, एंड देन वी कैन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सेशन विद न्यू ब्रेन.
Yes. Very good. In fact, I was planning for that only, but I wanted this thing to come from you because, see, ultimately you have to appear. We are always there with you. Don't worry about it. As you said, it is not only me. All the resource person are like-minded only. And why I have taken this particular session is there is reason behind it. Because every resource person is very keen to know what exactly you people are thinking about them, right? Even though I am giving them direct feedbacks, sir, आपका अच्छा था. I immediately post them a message. It was good. It was maybe a bit lengthy, right? Last में student got a bit not bored exactly, but the things were bouncing overhead actually. So these are the feedback I keep on giving them. But ultimately, as a resource person, everybody is keen to know where is the scope for improvement. And this sort of resource person are there with us, and they are their nature is like my nature only. They will come to you for your rescue, for your help, any point of time, not only for NET, it can be paid जैसे हम बोला. और अब यहाँ से तो अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है, because PhD is a very very long, tedious and what you call long journey to go, right? So there you really need good guidance, you really need good mentors who can really help you out. Otherwise, what I have seen, I personally observed that many a time there is a lot of exploitation in this particular PhD talking about. Because I have been handling this portfolio for almost last 20 years, and I have seen students, they get literally frustrated, and I've seen few incidents where they have dropped the idea of going further in PhD. That I have personally seen for myself, and to a certain extent everybody goes through that phase. PhD बोला तो it's not a very quick affair. जैसा NET में तो आप ठीक है, ये month आपने attend कर लिया और हो सकता नहीं. I'm fully confident that most of you will clear it, but it is not going to the case with PhD. First is paid, then you have to attend RRC, then you will get a registration. After paid, you have to go for a synopsis. The process is very, very lengthy. I'm to say you need a lot of patience in that, right? So here onwards, our journey will start. So I think this should be very, very fruitful to all of you. And I would say you are very lucky that you are getting such a good resource person. In fact, that's why I wanted this feedback, this session, so that I can pass on. कि सर देखिए या मैडम को बोलूंगा सर मैडम दिस इज द फीडबैक द स्टूडेंट हैव गिवन आई एम नॉट मैनिपुलेटेड एनीथिंग इट वाज ओपन फॉर एवरीबडी अनफॉर्चुनेटली टुडे इज नॉट गोइंग लाइव बट आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग इट so I'll be posting it after the session is over but anyway so but the resource person they'll come to know because see feedback I have already tried to post but nobody responded. I know the reason. You are not having time to solve MCQ. Forget about feedback. Even though the feedback was very simple and easy, hardly 2-3 questions, but it is not needed from my point of view because I am here to moderate the things. I am there to take care of you. I'm at the same time I have to keep on talking to the resource person. What exactly we are expecting or what exactly the participants are expecting from this program. So I hope I am clear. Who is next? Rajat, would you like to talk? Harshal?
Yes, sir.
2-3 sentences. See, this will give you confidence. And see, unless until you interact, this is part of NET. Maybe it's going to be very passive exam. You will be there, and that computer will be there, that desktop will be there. But ultimately, teaching is all about communication. Okay. So over to you, Harshal. Just put on the camera if possible, if you are comfortable, so that this actually your recording goes and I can show it to the resource person because see many a times they are quite curious and just want to know and many time when I say sir बहुत अच्छा था तो हो सकता है they feel कि like sir तो how can I say it was not good because I have picked up all of them, right? So I was the one who talked to them. I am the one who am having close. They are all my close colleague and friends. So I can never say that it was not good. In fact, I can just point out the lengthy था या short था थोड़ा अपन और उसको cover up कर सकते हैं. Yes, Harshal, over to you.
Sir, yes, sir. I am here, sir.
Yeah.
So sorry, I can't put camera now.
No issues. I know that. That's why I said if you are comfortable, put on the camera. Otherwise, it's
Yes,
not.
sir. Your first question, as you said, what are our expectations? So expectations means as a student, we expect that whatever whomsoever the resource person, they should have proper knowledge about the subject, sir. And I must say, they are so much knowledgeable, and the way they explain, the way they share, the way they prepare their PPTs and all. So I must say, means I am very lucky to be a part of this session, sir.
Right. That is first.
Yes, I'm audible. I'm audible, sir.
Yes, exactly. Very much.
Yes, sir.
And
And
yes.
what you have received, sir, means we have received a ton, sir. Means what else we can expect now? And especially I am very much impressed with the resource person you have provided. Means they are so much knowledgeable, sir. Means I was not expecting this much, but you have means I must say that I have got so much knowledge from this person, sir. And feedback, sir. Feedback means this is the only feedback I can share.
Okay.
And suggestions, sir. Suggestions, sir. Yeah, we need some breaks, sir, now because the COVID is going and means personally from my side, sir, घर पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा issue हो रहा है सब इससे.
Yeah, I know that. See, Harshal, I know that even Afriti is facing problem. Even I'm going through certain personal. I mean, you know, the sort of thing which is happening in Nagpur. I lost few of my friend, close friend. I lost them. They were quite younger than me, almost 10 years younger than me. But still, see,
So
it is.
recently my mother also got positive, sir.
Yeah, I know
So,
that. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So there is some sort of disturbance now. So
No,
that's
see,
why we need a
Harshal,
break.
this is going to remain. I do not know for how much time, but at
Yeah,
least we
yeah.
should not stop learning, right? Somehow we
Yes,
have
yes,
to
yes.
find out a way. क्योंकि
Yes, yes.
COVID तो अभी कैसा है, it is there and it is disturbing
Yes,
all
yes.
of us. So in
Yes, yes.
order to get out of all this, we have to keep ourselves busy somewhere. And this is a
Yes,
very
yes,
good
yes.
platform. In fact, that's why I'm so much interested in conducting all this because what I'm going to do in spare time, I cannot go outside. मेरी वॉकिंग भी अभी 4-5 दिन हो गए बंद कर दिया. I have already told you
हाँ,
that
ऐसा.
in the evening I go with my daughter, then morning I go every day. But now I have stopped that also. तो घर में बैठ के how much time you can see a television or how much time,
Yes,
and
sir.
you are fortunate that you have filled the form and
Yes, sir.
you are getting plenty of time now. Okay.
Yes,
That is one, and secondly you people are going to be lucky because अभी जो अगली एग्जाम आएंगे उसमें जो अभी जो बैकलॉग है, जो लोग नहीं भर पाए फॉर्म या जो नए जो बैच तैयार होने वाली है, उसमें गोइंग टू बी वेरी हाई कंपटीशन इन कमिंग एग्जाम जो अगली जो आएगी, जिसमें everybody will be eligible to apply, right? So all this backlog is going to pile up, right? वो बढ़ते जाने वाला है, तो कट ऑफ भी automatically it is going to increase. So you can just encash on this opportunity. See, there is always a silver lining in dark cloud जो अपन बोलते हैं, right? Even in troublesome time you can find out the opportunity, and those opportunities, if you are able to locate it properly, those are the best opportunities which you can have in your lifetime. And this is what good people have encashed on when they are in crisis. They have come out all these crises with good results, right? It can be talking about all sort of successful people. Lot many examples are there. Fine. Anyway, this is I just wanted for the sake of our resource person. I do know I have already got your feedback. I do know you can talk to me every time. छोटा भी issue रहा तो you are giving me call or forcing me WhatsApp
Yes, sir.
message. But this recording at least I can share with the resource person, so they will come to know नहीं sir झूठ नहीं बोल रहे थे. We were really good, right? Even though they know, see, everybody of us know where do we stand. We all know. But still that curiosity always remains. Since I have spent so much of time delivering a lecture, preparing for the lecture, I'd like to know as a feedback, and it's a part and parcel of any show or any teaching profession. 360-degree feedback बोलते हैं. यहाँ तो अपन we are just taking the feedback of few people. In fact, I can give them feedback. The resource person can give me feedback that you have organized in such and such fashion. You could have done this way. That feedback can also come to me. So everybody needs a feedback to improvise. The concept is very simple. It is not to criticize. It is for the betterment of everybody. Okay. Who else is there? Rajat is there. Rajat, can you talk?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please.
Sir, before joining this class, I had really bad experience from an online class.
Okay.
So I was a bit asked some reservations. So, but all the teachers never made me feel like.
Yeah, see, this is the feedback Aradhana has given. She is not feeling like it's an online class. It is more of a classroom, and even I'm getting that feeling. Ki online even I was knowing, but see, we have a lot of interaction, then that boundaries go out. Classroom का जो feeling है वो literally आता है. If you are really in touch with everybody, if you know each and everybody, तो classroom में ultimately क्या होता है? Because we know each other, we know by faces, we know your nature, what exactly your background, and this is what is happening, because it's a very small class. It's almost a group actually, not even a class also, right? We can call it as a small group. So that's why we all are enjoying, and all you people are staying almost how much? 2.5, 3 hours also. आप कुछ लोग रुके हैं. I know that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Rajat. Anything else? Two questions remains.
Yes, sir. But for me, it was more about notes, because it is really hard to get notes about net from anywhere.
Yeah, in fact, Rajat, I remember when I had a talk with your father, because I know him personally. He said he wanted some study material. I said, actually, we are planning for a program. So he said, what about notes? You don't have to spend anything from your pocket on notes, and I don't want you to purchase anything, because I want you to read only the material which we are going to tell you to read, because it's going to be a focus approach. सब मिल रहा है, सब पढ़ रहे हो, then at the end of the day you feel like you have not read anything and you are not able to recall the important points. So that is how we wanted to go about it. So he was very happy, because he was searching for forget about the classes, because classes are not there, at least in Nagpur I can guarantee, not even in Pune, Mumbai, and at least in this pandemic nobody is offering it. But fortunately we are quite tech savvy people. In fact, this COVID has made it. In fact, I was not very much tech savvy because earlier it was not needed. Fine, WhatsApp and all that is okay, but this has made us quite tech savvy, and I was quite confident because this is not my first workshop. I started way back in the month of June when the Corona has just arrived in India, right? So from there onwards, this is almost my 10th workshop, and I was having that experience and all those expertise with me. That's why I was very much confident that I can make this particular program successful. And the success will ultimately come when I get the results out of all this thing. अब तक तो मैं success में count करूँगा, but what if see, I'm not making you demoralized, I'm not afraiding you, right? I'm not scaring you. Paid तो I am guarantee, paid तो सबको देना है, सब बैठोगे. And Alok, you give me a call after the session is over. We are supposed to talk on that. Alok is there. So Harshal, yeah, I was talking Rajat. I was talking about these classes. In fact, many students, they approach each and every year, they come to me that who is going to guide you out. So very few people are there. I didn't have anybody who can teach you on second paper because it requires lot many resource person. It is not a job of single person, right? You all,
syllabus is also very vast, sir.
it's very vast, very comprehensive, and it almost covers 3 years of your graduation as well as 2 years of your post graduation. So the syllabus is almost of 5 years. 5 years को उन्होंने compress कर दिया है. They have compressed it in a single unit. For example, legal aspect of business. It is almost as good as all the law subject you have studied in your commerce, particularly talking about BCom and your PG, MCom. If you have done BCom and MCom, if you have done BBA and MBA, then all those things. I'm talking only about law. Same thing applies to business finance. Same thing applies to other areas. Communication is there. The marketing is there. Whatever you have studied in marketing is there in a single unit. So it is almost compression of almost 5 years of your syllabus. So even I was a bit skeptical कि कैसा हो पाएगा, but somehow I was having that confidence in me that I will be able to do justice to this particular program. And I think I have fulfilled myself. I have satisfied myself, and I have satisfied your expectation as well as the resource person expectation. That is also very important because they are also part and parcel of our show. Ultimately, they are going to ask me when the result are going to be out, sir, what is the result? Because equally curious, those resource person will be always there to know, to find out what exactly were the outputs. Inputs, fine, we are giving you every day. Inputs are coming from yourself also to you, right? But ultimately, how we are able to convert all these inputs into our, ultimately, what is our output? Output is result. Simple as that, right? So don't get very, I would say, you need not be very nervous actually, right? Take it casually, but एकदम भी casually नहीं लेना है कि ठीक है वो है वर्क प्रोग्राम है तो मैं पास हो जाऊंगा. This is not that way because self learning is required, without which you cannot clear or crack the exam. This guidance and all is also needed. In fact, we are lucky enough. Otherwise, जो अपना effort जो 1 घंटा या 10 घंटे लग रहे हैं, वो आपको 40 घंटे लगते थे. If you were a passive learner or if you want to do it on your own, because finding out where to get what and what is good for you is not that easy task. All of you know that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who else is there? Yeah, I think we are done with this. So we'll take a break for 5 minutes, and shall we take a marketing, or shall we postpone it for Monday?
Sir, please postpone, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, no issue. So, but one thing is there. Tomorrow at least we'll be having before the break one last section, because this session was supposed to be today comprehension. It is very light, and that is short. What you call it? Those questions you can answer short without. Means I would say those are your पक्का मार्क्स जो बोलते हैं वो तो मार्क्स मिलने ही मिलने हैं. All you have to do is know how to go about it. Most of we know it. But कल का एक सेशन करके then after that I think we'll start taking a break of 2 or 3 days time, so that continuity do not get break. We need to maintain continuity as well, right? कि फिर बहुत लंबी गैप हो जाती है तो वैसा भी नहीं चाहिए. We'll be taking 2 or 3 days time. We'll be discussing about it, right? I'll be posting the messages. But in the meantime, you just prepare a strategy. just go back, go in the what you call this flashback जो बोलते हैं movies में दिखाया जाता है ना, go back to session 1, right? और वहां से start कीजिए आप कि पहला session take a look at the video, YouTube video, solve the MCQs. Before solving MCQs, get a look at the PPT, solve the MCQs one, twice, thrice. After that, move to next session, right? Likewise, you move on in the ascending order. Start with the जो सबसे पहले हुआ था, oldest first, right? And come to whatever session we have taken up till now. After that only, I think we can start with our new sessions because fortunately we are getting time now. And this time we should encash properly. And as Aradhana said, we have almost through with not only 70%, we are almost through with 80 to 90% of our thing. Only what is remaining, deliberately I have skipped the research part. I wanted it to be last. See, वही एक important part बचा है. One session by Poonam Kakkad madam, that will be on HRM and personal management. My session on higher education, which I can take any point of time, तो मैं जानबूझ के pending रख रहा हूँ. And one session on marketing. That is all 4 sessions that those are remaining. One session on comprehension. So 5 sessions we can take it. Rest we are almost done with everything. Few sessions they were left out in between, like the session of Sachdeva sir. So we'll be covering those probably in next week, end of the next week, probably somewhere around Thursday, Friday. So let there be a session for tomorrow and one session on Monday. After that, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, let us take a break. All of you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Right? So is it comfortable? 3 days break or 2 days is okay with you, or do you want 4 days? What do you suggest?
So 3 days is enough.
3 days. See,
Yeah,
because
yes, sir. 3 to 4 days is fine.
yeah, 3. We'll start with 3 days. Let us let us express it how we go about it. Because see, continue फिर क्या lethargy आ जाती है. I know about it. कि है अभी समय 3 days are there, then I don't want that continuity to get broken down, right? That continuity should remain. So we have to keep on. See, learning is all about continuous evaluation. Evaluation and exams क्यों होते हैं आपकी repeatedly? Because to know whether you are following or not. Okay. So have you followed what I said? How are you supposed to study now? Go back.
Yes,
Go back to what?
Session 1.
Session 1, exactly. Rewind yourself, right? Go back to session 1 and there onward just take a look at the feel as if you are attending this program again. Take a look at the video, go through the PPT and solve MCQ thrice, at least thrice. Or even in 3 times, if you are not able to reach 90%, take it 4th time, right? 4 is more than sufficient. Even if you are not able to reach 80%, all will also do, but 4 time attempt is needed. At least 80 तो cross होना चाहिए. और वो हो जाता है, आराम से हो जाता है. Don't worry about it. Okay. So I think we'll call it a date for today.
Yes, sir. I want to add one thing, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Because of you only. So all credit goes to you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Especially. You gathered us all.
Right, so
And,
that is so nice of you. But see, I'm not satisfied with all these words, right? All of you know
Yes, sir, we
what I want, what I want.
Don't worry,
Or-
sir.
yeah. See, ultimately, I am accountable to you. I am accountable to